Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are always doing very well. Today's recipe is a flatbread pizza that turns out delicious and tasty. If you are interested, follow the recipe with me from start to finish. For the ingredients, I have 100 grams of chicken breast. You can adjust the quantity as you like, and I also have 1 grated carrot. I have green, yellow, and red bell peppers cut into small pieces. I also sliced 1 onion into thin strips. And I have 2 potatoes, not onions, 2 potatoes. I will boil and cut them because they are used to make the dough. I also have 2 cloves of garlic and half a teaspoon of red pepper. Black pepper and salt are added according to taste. I also have a small can of sliced mushrooms and some chopped parsley. If you have fresh mushrooms, you can use a few instead. Now I heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil you have available. Add the garlic and lightly saute the onion. Then add the chicken breast pieces. Saute the chicken lightly until it changes color. 100 grams of chicken is enough. You can add more if needed. This depends on the number of people in your family. Now add the grated carrot. Then add the sliced mushrooms. Mushrooms are optional and not necessary. You can skip them if you want. Once everything is sautéed, add the bell peppers. Add both of them. Saute the vegetables lightly. Add salt and black pepper. Add paprika. Let the vegetables cook together with the chicken. At the end, add the parsley. Everything is now cooked and completely dry. There is no liquid left. Mix everything and turn off the heat. Now prepare the potato dough. Mash the boiled potatoes well. Make sure they are smooth. Add 2 eggs and mix well. Add 200 milliliters of milk and mix well. Add the beaten eggs. Add 4 tablespoons of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix gently so the flour does not spill. Keep mixing carefully. Mix until the batter is well combined. Add salt and a small amount of black pepper. Mix everything well. Prepare a round baking dish. Line it with parchment paper and lightly grease it. This prevents the batter from sticking. Pour the batter into the dish. Spread it evenly. Add the filling gradually. I do this by hand to control the distribution. This helps keep the filling even. Add the cheese. Use any cheese you have. Add a little more filling. Add a light layer of cheese. Add more cheese if you like. This keeps the filling visible. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Here is the final result after baking. Remove the pizza easily from the pan. Remove the parchment paper. Cut the pizza. This shows the inside texture. As you can see, it turned out beautiful and soft. Just try it and you will love it. Your kids will enjoy it too. The cooking time was about 35 minutes. Sometimes it cooks in only 25 minutes. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell. See you in the next video.